What's up, everyone? Welcome back. This is Dan from DHTV, and today we are going to take a look at Apple's new MagSafe accessories. We have the MagSafe Charger and the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro clear case with MagSafe built in. Let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start off by taking a look at the new MagSafe charger here, and it's got that circular design. A lot of people calling it a hockey puck design. It's a lot smaller than a hockey puck, but it is circular. On the back, USB-C, so this is going to be charging via USB-C. You will need a wall mount, and then it's just giving you a little image of how it works. So it's going to magnetize to the back of your device, and in turn charge using wireless technology. So that is it for the box. We'll open it up. Alright, so we get some manuals and paperwork. And this is very similar to how AirPods used to, or EarPods used to ship out. Alright, so I spared you my struggles there with the case. One of the hardest Apple devices that I've ever had to unbox. I had to tear it. There's the box. Anyway, so very similar design to the Apple Watch charger. So you got the circular design. The middle is plastic, followed by the outside being a brushed aluminum in that silver color. The cable itself is using USB-C, and that's going to be tough for some of you if you haven't purchased a newer Apple device that uses the new USB brick or block to charge in the wall. So the cable itself too is about 3 feet long, so it's not very long, and it is attached, as you can see right there, to the end, so you can't remove it and purchase a bigger one. I have a feeling this is going to be an issue right here. Alright, so we've got the MagSafe plugged up to a power outlet here. We're just going to lay down the iPhone 11 Pro. I want to see if this is actually going to charge when you lay it down. So, do a quick test. There we go. You got 47% charge. And, oh, it actually sticks a little bit. So, it's actually going to stick slightly on the back with a magnet, so it's not very strong at all. It's going to slide down, as you can see right there, but it is holding a little bit, and that just goes to show you you don't necessarily need an iPhone 12 to use MagSafe. What you are going to need, unfortunately, is one of these. This is the power outlet. This one's actually by Apple. It came with my iPad, and it's a USB-C power outlet. Unfortunately, the iPhone 12s are not going to ship with this, and if you purchased an older phone like this right here, being the iPhone SE2 or 2020, this is a fairly new phone. It's going to ship out with this wall adapter, which unfortunately is using the standard USB port, and you're going nowhere with this. It's not going to work. So that's the biggest downfall with the new iPhones as well as MagSafe, and that means you're going to have to dish out the cash if you want a nice Apple one, or you can use the links in the description. There's a lot of third-party companies. I've placed some there that I like that are really cheap, and you can get yourself a USB-C wall outlet. Additionally, this is going to work with Android devices too, and what's great about Android devices is they've been shipping out with USB-C adapters like this for a really long time, so you'll be good to go if you had an Android device or if you're switching. Now additionally, you can charge other devices as well. Any QI or Qi compatible device will be able to charge up. I've got my AirPods here. AirPods Pro will work the same. You're not going to get that magnetic feel with it, but it will charge. I do have Apple's wireless charging case here. You can see how badly beaten this is. It's probably not going to charge. This won't charge even on standard charging pads, so I can't test it. It's not working here. I'm pretty sure it would work. It was supposed to be wireless capable, or I remember it being wireless capable. Unfortunately, I can't get it to work on any charging pad anymore, but that's another video for another time. Now, if you are looking to pick up this MagSafe charger here, it's going to run you about $39 plus tax. And it doesn't come with the USB-C power adapter, so if you're looking to purchase that as well, from Apple, it's going to run you about $19. So in total, you're looking at about $60 to purchase these two pieces of equipment. Otherwise, you can just charge your phone using the standard lightning cable. Let's move on to the case now. So this is the clear iPhone 12 and 12 Pro case with MagSafe capabilities built in. Now, what I was worried about is this circle and this little line, the MagSafe logo, was going to appear on the clear case. I thought that that was just sort of letting you know that it was MagSafe from the website, but I think it's going to be on the case, but we'll find out when I open this. So on the front, we have the clear case. On the back, giving you instructions on how to install the case, which we should all know by now. Peel this back. All right, that's all that's in the box. So we've got one sheet of paperwork here, and then we've got the case. Much easier to open up than the MagSafe, and there it is. It actually says MagSafe, designed by Apple in California, iPhone. So unfortunately, it looks like it's going to be a part of this case. Now, I don't have the iPhone 12 yet. We're gonna just put in the iPhone 11 here just for example. That's how it's going to look when you do have a case in there. You know what, I don't mind it too much. Kind of gives it a cool look. And let's just give it a test here. So we've got MagSafe. We're gonna lay this down, and we're getting a charge. Now with the MagSafe case, you're going to get a much more magnetic hold even on the iPhone 11 here. So I'm actually pulling. Now just to give you a quick idea of this case, this is another clear case that I purchased for the iPhone 11. You can see that it's kind of changing color, getting a little dirty here, but these are like, I would say it's more on the hard plastic side. This one here, you could bend it and it's not going to break. So this was more like rubbery. This is more of a hard plastic case. So you have your cutouts for your cameras, the buttons. So the side button on the right. You've got the volume rockers on the left and the little opening for your mute switch. On the bottom, you have your openings for your speaker, your lightning cable, and it's completely open. Some cases, like this one here, had individual openings. This is probably better, so you're not searching around if you do plug up via the lightning cable. Now, just to show you, if you are planning to purchase MagSafe devices or accessories for that matter, this is a case. We've got the MagSafe. Any case and MagSafe device is going to be magnetically powered. So you've got magnets in these little circles here. So that's probably why they couldn't keep it fully clear, is to house those magnets. And that way you can sort of have the grip. When you do have MagSafe plugged up, unlike standard chargers, you can actually use your phone and do things that you would want to do rather than having a wireless charger where you're limited to it being on the ground and you're tapping like so. So that is the clear iPhone 12 and 12 Pro case with MagSafe technology. We've also got the MagSafe Charger, which is going to charge any Qi enabled device. And you can see it's charging my AirPods right now. So let me know what you guys think of these accessories. Are you planning to purchase any of Apple's new MagSafe accessories here? The one issue that everybody's going to have is definitely going to be the power brick. And unfortunately, it's not coming with the iPhone 12 either. So as much as Apple wants to say that they're removing this for their sort of environmental footprint, it doesn't seem like it's really good for the consumer because this is USB-C and they haven't been shipping these out for very long. So if anybody is not up to date with their phones using something like an iPhone 11 or 11 Pro, you don't have this, which means you're going to have to dish out that money to either Apple or a third-party company so that you can use these new devices and accessories. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, let me know what you're planning to purchase. There's tons of iPhone 12 videos coming up on the channel, so definitely subscribe. Click the bell notification box to be notified when I post new videos, and hit that like button. It helps me out. It also helps the video so more people can see it. And there's a playlist in the description. It'll be growing with new videos for the iPhone 12. And I'll be showing you how to do everything like usual. We'll be going over the camera, going over some of the new features, how to use specific features for this phone, tips, tricks, all the good stuff. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.